Welcome to part 1 of the Summary Writing Masterclass for the Cambridge International Examinations. Summary writing is an important skill to learn, because it is useful not only for schoolwork and examinations, but also for university and future careers. It is one of the main writing tasks for this examination. Although you must write, it is your reading skills that will determine your success in this section of the exam. It's critical that you keep a clear head and follow the guidelines in this video to be successful. You must plan ahead of time. Writing 100 to 120 words won't take long, but the most important part of the process is deciding what to include and what to leave out. That is why your reading skills are so important. The good news is that the more you practice, the better you will become at it. This video is part 1 of a 3-part series that will walk you through the various stages. Once you are clear about the general approach, you can start writing summaries with greater confidence. In this exam, you will be given an informative piece of writing of between 400 to 450 words in length, and you will be required to write specific aspects of the text using 100 to 120 of your own words. So, let's get started. The first thing you should do is read the question carefully. It may seem obvious, but if you don't read the question carefully, your summary can go horribly wrong. Let's take a look at a typical exam question. You must remember that you are not required to summarize the whole of the original text, just a particular aspect of it. The wording of the question will direct you towards the points to include. In this example, the whole text is about banana farming, but you are asked to write about one aspect only: how one banana farm in Costa Rica is becoming more environmentally friendly. You can highlight or underline these words in the question, like this, so you are clear about what you are looking for when reading the text. Let's look at another question. In this example, the whole text is about tea, but you are asked to write about the growing conditions that affect the taste of tea, and the advice given for people buying and storing tea. Unlike the first example, you have to find 2 aspects of the text. Here is the first one. And this is the second one. Again, keep the 2 aspects that you need to look for clear in your mind when reading the text. Hopefully, by now you are clear on this first stage. So let's have a final check. Read this question carefully. For this question, do you A. Summarize the whole text. B. Summarize one aspect of the text. C. Summarize 2 aspects of the text. For this question, the answer is C. You need to summarize 2 aspects: the argument for, and the argument against including video gaming in the Olympic Games. Well done for completing part 1 of this summary writing masterclass with us. In part 2, we will look at how to read through the text, and then identify the information that is relevant. Click on the link to the video here to watch the next part.